Hello, I'm Cameron, and today I'm going to tell you about a scientific mystery, Huntington's disease. Basically put, Huntington's disease is a hereditary disease that causes neurodegeneration or the deterioration of brain cells called neurons, and consequently, cognitive and motor brain function. I know what you're thinking. How does that even happen? Huntington's disease is expressed when a mutation occurs in the HTT gene or Huntington gene. This gene provides the instructions to make a protein called Huntington. How does the mutation occur? Good question. But first, let me explain a little bit about DNA. DNA is that swirly-looking ladder structure in your biology textbook. The structure of this ladder is called double helix because it is composed of two strands. DNA is made up of molecules called nucleotides. Each nucleotide has a phosphate group, sugar group, and a nitrogen base of either adenine, thymine, guanine, or cytosine. The base pair forms the rungs on the ladder while the sugar-phosphate backbone makes up the side rails. Okay, back to the HTT mutation. The mutation occurs because there are too many repeats of the trinucleotide cytosine adenine guanine, or CAG. This excessive repetition of the gene causes the amino acid glutamine to produce Huntington protein that is abnormal. This abnormality is harmful to the cell, causing it to die and resulting in the common symptoms of Huntington's disease, like uncontrollable muscle movement, difficulty walking or moving, memory loss, loss in concentration, depression, and mood swings. Symptoms that occur because of how the protein Huntington is affected led scientists to investigate a major question. What is the function of Huntington anyway? Here's where the mystery lies. Scientists are still unsure of what the function of Huntington is, but it seems to play an important role in neurons given the effects that it has on them when the protein is not formed correctly. Furthermore, it may play a role within cells that involves chemical signaling, transportation, bonding the protein to structures, and protecting the cell from apoptosis or cell self-destruction, all functions that are absent from neurons in those with Huntington's disease. Additionally, scientists are stumped as to how to cure the disease or prevent the disease from progressing. 1 in every 10,000 Americans has Huntington's disease, and another 250,000 are at risk of inheriting it from a parent, since it's a hereditary disease after all. Methods of keeping symptoms under control are rehabilitation and medication, but the strengths of these are obviously limited. Now, what can you do about this? I'll tell you. Learn as much as you can about the disease and then put that knowledge to use. For example, if you know someone with Huntington's disease, learn how to communicate with them in a way that works for them. If you don't, spread awareness about the disease. If you're truly passionate, you can even dive right into the field of study yourself to see what you can discover.